What's up, YouTube? I know this sounds crazy, but I think I'm gonna actually do a red lip. I'm a little nervous, but I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the perfect red lip because it's not easy. I'm not gonna lie. And they're intimidating, and I feel like some people can pull them off perfectly, but some people, it's like, you're like me. It doesn't really work like that. I am gonna do it a little differently, but it's still gonna be definitely like a red lip. So for the lip liner, I'm gonna go in with this lip liner, or no, it's actually like an eyeliner, MAC in Coffee. It's basically like a super dark brown. You can't even really tell. That's what I'm gonna line my lips with. And this is like a trust the process type of thing because this is gonna give mustache at first. Yeah, pretty much just line your lips like normal. And then I like to kind of like shade it in, especially on the outer corners. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna blend it in. Let me zoom you up actually. This thing hurts. Alright, for the red lip, we're gonna use this Nova Beauty lipstick in Rosette. It's literally perfect. But since I'm scared, I'm gonna make sure that this is really like dark on these outsides. Because for some reason, like with me and like red and like pinky, just like colorful colors on my lips, like it just makes me look like a payaso. Like it just makes me look like a clown. So I get scared. Like look how bright this is. But yeah, basically put that on your lips, on the center, and start to like blend it. You know what I'm saying? And you don't have to be scared anymore. Like once you have like that dark brown, like, or honestly like any brown, I just want this to be like a really deep, bold red lip. So I just feel like the dark brown looks better. You can add as much red as you want and it's like, it just looks good. And then I have these two red glosses. I can't really decide which one I want. One of them is like more brown, like this one's more like brown, but it has like a little bit of sparkle in it. And then this one's like more like bright red and I don't see any sparkle. I don't know which one to use. And I'm gonna use this one. I hope I make the right decision. Anyways, this is the Nova Beauty lip gloss in Dime. My neighbors are so loud, ignore them. And I'm gonna take it all the way to the edge because I don't want this to be like a black lip look. Like I want this to be like a red lip look, you know? She's looking clean. But I think I cracked the code. Like I've never done this before, but I was just like thinking to myself, like, how can I do a red lip without looking crazy? And I know I'm not the only person that struggles with this, so that's why I was like, let me figure this out. And I literally just I just tried it right now, but I don't feel ugly with this. Like, I feel cute. Normally red lips really, like, I can't. Or am I just crazy? I don't really know. Like, I might just be crazy, but I really feel like red just like it doesn't work. And right now it's working, so you can't tell me anything. So let me know if you try this. Let me know if you recreate it. Don't forget to tag me. And I really, really hope this helped somebody because I'm telling you, like, it's not right that we can't be doing a red lip when we want to, you know? Like, it's such a, like, classy, elegant, like a red lip is just so, like, special and so bold, like, in its own self. Just wanted to show you guys how I do it and to show you guys that it's possible. I'm gonna come back. I'm feeling crazy right now with this like headband on, so I'm gonna come back and show you guys like for real without the headband and all that. All right, I'm back. So this is like the full look with the red lip. It's giving red lip, like it's not giving like, right? All right, my camera's about to die, so that's really it for this red lip look. I think it's kind of cute. I'm still like very much out of my comfort zone right now. I really don't know how to feel. I feel like this is the best I could make it look on me, so hopefully this helps somebody. Anyways, see you in my next video.